Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto and Marine Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition water pump housing and impeller kit that fits a variety of Mercruiser inboard engines. This replaces Sierra part number 18-3150, and it replaces Quicksilver part 807151A14. So this is pretty much your water pump rebuild kit for your engine. So it includes a new water pump impeller, a backing plate for the housing, includes new stainless steel hardware, O-rings, stainless steel washers, and a water pump housing. Now, one of the things you want to make sure you do is, depending on the use of your vessel, you want to make sure you change the water pump housing impeller every 300 hours. That's typically what Mercury recommends. Some of the older engines have different intervals. It might be every 100 hours, but for the most part, it's every 300 hours. When you're installing this component, the housing and the impeller, you want to make sure you put a little bit of silicone spray or other grease on the actual impeller. That way it goes into the housing smoothly. And the same thing with the O-rings. You want to make sure you put a little bit of grease on the O-rings to make sure you get a good seal. And when you're installing the O-ring on the housing here, you'll see there's a couple retaining bumps here, here, and here. That'll help you install the O-ring and the O-ring stay in the housing. That way when you go to bolt the housing onto the motor, the O-rings stay in place. If you guys have any questions for us, please feel free to reach out to us directly, and we'll be glad to help.